it's Bank Holiday Monday and we are back on the reno. We're back in the spare room today, finally. I think we left you with this a long time ago when we did the woodwork, like well over a month ago. And now we're back to finally paint it because the paint has arrived. I've already showed you the paint, but here it is again. It is Aylex Red 03, that gorgeous sort of terracotta but light bright reddish colour with a pinky tone under it. And this is their new matte supreme paint. It's their very scrubbable, very durable finish, which obviously is great on things like skirting boards, woodwork, the cupboard, the fireplace. So absolutely the right finish for this room. I'm really looking forward to seeing how that goes on the walls. And then we've got, for the inside, I have got Aylex Blue 15 for a little surprise when you open the doors. I thought it would be cute just to have a different colour when you opened it. And that is their matte finish, which again is really super durable. We've painted loads of stuff in our house, all our skirting boards in the hallway, the blue ones, in this exact finish, and it's held up so well. And we are colour drenching the space today. You know I love colour drenching, mainly because I can't be bothered to cut in and get a perfect clean line on the ceiling. So we're just going all red everywhere today. Red here, all red here, the ceiling rows, everything, the skirtings. It's going to look gorgeous. I've wanted to use this colour for so many years. It's been on like all my mood boards and things, and I've never actually got around to using it anywhere because I was very much of that like, oh, it could be a bit dark, but now I don't believe that anymore. That's gone in the bin, and we are painting this whole room in Red 03, and I'm really, really excited. So I'm going to wait no longer. I'm going to get straight into it. First thing we need to do is clean up this room. It's really dusty, get it vacuumed, hoovered out, and then we can start painting. And I'm hoping today we can get both coats on, although we have got coving, which is quite intricate, which you saw next door when we did the green. That takes a lifetime and several coats to cover, but this is much smaller coving, so this should be a bit easier. Okay, we have just had lunch and the first coat is on, as you can see, and we are looking very, 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 very red, orangey, terracotta-y, Don't know how it's looking on camera. In different angles, it looks really like neon orange, and other angles, it looks like a dusty red, which it does in real life. So it's looking great. It's very, very bold, colour drench effect. Always takes a little time to get used to. But yeah, I'm very happy with it so far. It's gone on a treat. It took us about 4 hours to get everything first coated. So the walls, ceilings, coving, a lot of detail on the coving, that took a while. Ceiling rows, around the window reveal, the whole fireplace, and then the cupboard doors. I haven't done the blue inside the cupboard yet. I'm going to do that maybe last thing, maybe later today. But for now, we have eaten and we are cracking on with second coat, getting this hopefully all second coat today so we can put it to bed. So let's get on with that. But today there has been a bit of an error in this room and it is very much my fault.